Now, another thing we are still hoping on is to see if Binance, Coinbase, of course, other top 5 exchanges can really work to help Terra Classic. For Coinbase, I still have very strong feeling that they are going to list Terra Classic coin back. Like, this is not the first time they've listed this coin. If they list Terra Classic, it's going to be the second time. The first time was when Luna was, that was about a few years ago, and Terra Classic was there doing well. But because maybe they got angry due to what happened to Terra Classic, and I don't even know what happened that lead to Coinbase removing Terra Classic. But since then, since last year, this is over a year now. This is over 1 year. But I still believe if Terra Classic is ranked among the top 100, almost all the top exchanges have listed this coin. What is holding Coinbase? When Luna crashed, it was not only on Coinbase that Terra Classic crashed. Of course, there are still people on Binance that bought Terra Classic coin then. There are still people on Kucoin. There are people on crypto.com, get.io. There are people on OKX, Bybit, people that own Terra Classic coins. But these exchanges, they are still there supporting to see if something can happen. Why is it that it's only Coinbase that decided to remove it? Except there is a disagreement, or except I'm not sure I said initially, I don't really know what happened. But for me, if it is because of the crash, if it's because of the fall that occurred last year, May, I think that it is wrong, totally wrong, for Coinbase to just remove LLC. It is totally wrong. That means Coinbase are not supporting to help their customers. Okay? Yes, the community. Because if I'm buying a particular coin using you as my exchange and something went wrong, your interest should be to help me to protect my finance, to protect my investment. So if other exchange look at, okay, the deal has been done. Okay, now what is the way forward? The way forward is to see, since we still have the number of coins we have, let's say someone have 1 million coins, still having 1 million coins. Maybe then the 1 million coins was worth over $20,000, and right now the 1 million coins is just worth, let's assume, $200. Okay, let's say $100 or $50, but you still have your 1 million coins intact. The next option should be how to help, how to see if the value of that 1 million coins can rise back again. This is what is going on. This is why we have been supporting Luna. This is what Binance has also been doing to see if the value can reach. That's what people have been praying for 1 cent. Imagine Luna at 1 cent. Calculate 1 million coins times to 1 cent. It is definitely for every 10 coins, 10 cents. For every 100 coins, $1. For every 1,000 coins, $10. For every 10,000 coins, $100. For 1 million coins, then $10,000. You see, you must have recovered something and even make profit with it. So I still believe Coinbase can still reconsider, and I see Coinbase in the next future coming back to list Terra Classic LLC coin. Well, let's hope for the best. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. And keep on supporting, subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.